Open Canva and create a new design. Use any dimension of your choice. I'm using 1080 by 1350 px. To ensure perfect balance, we'll use guides to mark our points of interest. Press Shift-R to reveal the guides. Drag the horizontal guides and set them close to 36, 196, and 622. We'll add the bottom guides later for our accent shapes. Drag the vertical guides and set them close to 570, 637, 690, and 874. Pro tip: I use the head and face of my subjects as the main guide points to keep the focus where it matters. Go to Photos, search for Pastel Watercolor Background, select this one. Hold Option or Alt and enlarge it to fill the entire canvas evenly. Next, search for Mother and Her Child. You can use any image of your choice. Remove the background, flip it horizontally, and align it with your guides if you're using them. Search for Mom Teaching Daughter to Read. Select, remove the background, flip and place it according to the layout. Press Ctrl or Command plus the left square bracket to send elements behind another element. Next, search for African Mother and Newborn. Remove the background and position it to complete the trio. To make all these different photos look cohesive, click one photo, click Edit, then Adjust, and apply these settings. Set the temperature to -9, tint 37, contrast 41, highlights -30, whites 36, blacks -18, vibrance 75, sharpness 61. Now click the Copy Style brush to copy all these adjustments. Click the next image to apply them to it. You can also press Option-Command-C to copy style. On Windows, it is Control-Alt-C. Repeat the process for the next image. Click Elements, search for Flowers, and pick the one you like. I chose this, and changed the color to hex code D11F48, and arrange them as seen. Now go to Photos. Search for White Cloud Cutout. Select this one and place it as seen. Press Ctrl or Command-D to duplicate and use it to hide the harsh edges where the photos meet, just like this. Use lighter clouds on top of the images and reduce the opacity to create that soft, ethereal look. Arrange them as seen. Like and subscribe if you're finding this helpful. Drop your questions in the comments and I'd answer them as soon as possible. Next, press T to add a text box. Add your Mother's Day message. I used NexaScript and SugarPie for the decorative headers and Sniglet for the subtext. Add your final horizontal guides at 904 and 946. Press R to drop in a rectangle. Adjust it as shown. Click the corner rounding and adjust it. Change the color to our crimson, D11F48. Search for social media icons and elements. Place them over your rectangle. Repeat the process and you're done finished. Like and subscribe if you found it helpful. Drop your questions in the comments for quick answers. See you in the next video.